Habakan tho halor ke jingsha kem arngut ki Dkhot ka khasi student union KSU haka step ka arterik ye yong arajar apusau namar ka jingsu badun kti ban syo bat penyap klep ya arngut ki barjala men haka ar penyotrik luber arajar apusau uba Prestone tensong sembot mitirang ba badai kemi yak tanat kampo yeng ka sorkar jala uloong ba hab ban long ya Shah bat ai ba ka an hi kan trei shakmat ya la ka jong ka kam uloong ba ka jing toket kadang ya shakmat halo ka ne ka benta bat ula Kyntu ki Kynhun ne kinu ki weipat banom ai Umphniang shu ha ka ding namar ki ladon ki ba penpriang jing tho ha kini ki khindia sngi ban le kumni kumtai namar ka tei ka jingja sha penyap ki barjala Kumman chikulo baka yeng ka Sheri district and session judge ka East Kasil district ha ka no phai singi ka arterik ye yong arajar pusau kala ai jing bet nyo singi ya ki bor pulet ban toket ikit khot ka khasi student union KSU Sau Kasil district union katau samla shan bor lang shati bot usamla mesadap bor skambel namar ka jingsu badung ti jengki ban sho bat penyap klep ki arngut ki barjala ki balatip kerteng kum Ishan Singh bat usujet duta.
Well, the inquiry is still on, and yes, we have pick up 2 people from there, and I will not give you all the details since the investigation is on. So let us be a little more patient till we reach out to the conclusion. Then only we'll be able to tell exactly what is happening. Well, the message is very clear. Be it our local NGOs or be it the non-tribal NGOs so-called, my request and my appeal to all of them is please don't cross the line. You can't cross the line. Let the law prevail as it is, and the law will not spare to anybody. So I would like to appeal and request all of them to refrain from such kind of incident, which is very, very unfortunate to everybody. So I would like to request all of them that see the law is above everybody, and from the government side we'll make sure that let the law takes its own course. We all say the challenges are always there, but we are prepared for it. Whatever law and order arises, we are there. We are capable to handle things. And as I said to you, my request is only this: that any concerned NGOs, they should not add fuel unnecessarily to the incident. Because I think recently I saw even I may call it the fake statement made that they wanted to do this, that, unnecessarily the fuel is added. So I would request all of them, and I warn also, not only request, I warn everybody, don't go beyond the limit of prescribed law, because we are being guided by the law, we are being guided by the rules and regulations.
Kumno ba Raju?
Kumne kong, ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jam baro.
Hoi ki biang lor.
Ai kira shon jong menta ubnai.
Hoi ta.
Ba ukau iu unia.
Kong undi udai ukau plus F, ukau fortified.
Ukau 45? Henry ba ukau 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukau ba ai barabor umde uba bha.
Kong kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi ki kta ya ka kot ka khya ka jongi. Menta ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam ki long ni em ki batei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ladangi bam ki jingbam ki bomtei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ila ban yo ya ka jingpang dunas nam mar ka jing bria ki kman.
Henry ba uni ukau 45 don jiga dei kumno.
Yo iya ka jingtei ya ka met ka phat ka jongi nak jingbam ka bangi bam man la kasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jongkine ngen ngat hagi babun ki jajingpa ka sarkar ka persangkar bala banwanra ya ka kot ka khia. Ka FSSAI ka batha ba ukhaw ata kamlu kadut bat ke Umphniang bam. Ki dei bandon ya ke jingbam ki bantei ya kamet. Knang baha ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo hadu 100% kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet. But lai kerteng yaki 45 ila bani thu yaki ta ka sharp plus F aki.
Ba uni ujing bam plus F pat ngila ban yo ne ai.
Nang ne kong nagani ka daw ka sarkar kala panmi yaki scheme ICDS, MDM, PDS ka bha na ka banta upaj ba. Ka sarkar mi kala mangker pang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan da ka ba ke la pha da u khau ba pha tam na ka banta ki khna bat ki long kimi ki ba armen dei na ka ta ka dau batang da uni ujat khau ba pha tam ban sam shabaro ki long yeng nang ni shakman tang da u khau 45
ba fikran ya ka jing shisha
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba Ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya